Kia ora. Welcome back to this video lesson from our new lake book number 78. It's the one with the bicycles. Now we're going to pretend that 87.6 isn't there yet, and we found that by simply subtracting the 69.4 and the 23 from 180. Because regardless of the size of the triangle, how many degrees in a triangle? That's right, 180. All right, so first we found the side length x with the following setup. X over the sine of 69.4 was 4.5 over the sine of 23 degrees. We get the x by itself by undoing this division. 4.5 times the sine of 69.4 over the sine of 23 tells us the x was 10.78 kilometers. Now, in order to find the side length y, that's where we have to understand that if I know 2 out of 3 angles in a triangle, I can subtract those two from 180 to find the 87.6. So that's what we did to find our side length y. We set that one up. Y is 4.5 times the sine of 87.6 over the sine of 23. And it doesn't matter which pair you use. Since back to our original question, now we do know the side length of x was 10.78 kilometers. So we could use the 10.78 over the sine of 69.4, or we can use the 4.5 over the sine of 23. So there was one way to set up this patai, or you could have done it this way in blue. Both came out with the same answer. What was the side length y, please? 11.5 kilometers, okay? Any patai, send them to Eli and Billy. Thanks for watching. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.